In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to a video meeting in Google Meet. We'll walk through the process together step by step, making sure you feel confident in scheduling and inviting attendees to your next virtual get-together. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Meet. If you haven't already, open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Meet homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a clear option to initiate your video meeting journey, so let's dive right in. Next, you'll see a button labeled New Meeting. Click on it. This is your gateway to starting a variety of meeting types depending on your needs. Since we're focused on getting you started quickly, you'll want to choose the Start an Instant Meeting option. This will immediately activate a new meeting room, which can be incredibly convenient if you need to gather your team or friends without any delay. With your meeting room now open and ready for action, it's time to bring your participants into the fold. Look towards the bottom of your screen and find the People icon. Clicking on this icon will open up a side panel that gives you all the functionalities to manage your meeting attendees. In this panel, you'll find an option that says Add People. This is where the real invitation magic happens. Go ahead and click on Add People. A new window will appear that allows you to enter the email addresses of those you wish to invite. Simply type in the addresses of your invitees and send them their invitations straight from Google Meet. This is an efficient way to ensure everyone gets the necessary information to join your session. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a Google Meet session and invited your participants. Remember, Google Meet is a versatile platform. Whether you're proposing a last-minute video catch-up or organizing a structured meeting, your invites are only a few clicks away. Before wrapping up, here are a couple of additional tips. If you're planning a meeting in advance, use Google Calendar. It integrates seamlessly with Google Meet, allowing you to schedule meetings and automatically send invitations at your chosen time. And don't forget to double check your invite list before hitting send to ensure everyone important is included. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful. With just a few simple steps, you can efficiently invite people to join you in Google Meet, making virtual collaborations a breeze. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to check back for more helpful guides and tips. Until next time, happy meeting.